Just let this go. Wow. Just let this go. Beautiful. Okay, so let me know when you feel that area where you feel that rib is out. Feel like we're getting close here? Yeah. It's right in there. Okay. So let's go ahead, nice deep breath in. And let it all go. Very good. Come back into the mid-back, deep breath in. All the way out. Beautiful.